Take a look at this. A viewer sent us this video of frozen tree limbs crashing onto a porch in a Williamson County neighborhood. We know many of you have heard that eerie sound of tree limbs cracking and then breaking under the weight of ice.
And one hard-hit area, Westhaven in Williamson County. Our Amanda Roberts was there today.
Neighbors here in Westhaven say this is a beautiful kind of destruction. They say even though there are trees down everywhere, they're thankful that they've been able to stay safe through this freeze.
We could hear the trees breaking and crashing all around us. It was like every 30 seconds or so.
Trees that had been growing for decades, creating a canopy in Westhaven, destroyed by ice and freezing temperatures.
The first thing that came to mind was a tornado had hit, but the houses were okay. You know, all the trees were just completely decimated, laying across the road. We knew that by the morning time it was going to be a pretty big mess.
Roads were impassable, a big mess that required a big coordinated neighborhood cleanup effort.
We were out, helping neighbors cut down trees yesterday.
Guys with gas-operated chainsaws, battery-operated chainsaws, moms and dads, everyone just pitching in and helping.
We've seen all these trees mature and grow, and it's just beautiful in the spring and the summer, and so it's really sad to see.
These neighbors know even though ice took down years of growth in one community.
Just was so beautiful. And then something like this happens, but it'll grow back. Yeah. There's a time for growing, a time for replanting.
They have grown stronger together. Reporting in Williamson County, I'm Amanda Roberts, News Channel 5.
Amanda, thank you. And just a safety note, now is not the time to be taking a walk under the trees. They've been very unpredictable with branches and limbs cracking and coming down. So far, there have not been any significant injuries to report, and emergency crews would really like to keep it that way.